After visiting Trangan, we headed towards our homestay in NINH BINH. Should we follow you? Hello. You can see. We are at NINH BINH.
Yes.
We checked in and got freshened up. Now we are having our lunch together.
We got some nice restaurant over here.
One seafood fried noodles.
One fried squid roll
That's it,
and
no?
one pork noodles.
Oh, okay. For you?
Yeah, pork fried noodles. Hello. Boat ticket?
Ticket for both?
Yes.
2 person.
Yes, 2%.
200. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So this is the boat ticket for 2%.
If you find Trangan to be too crowded, you can head towards this place. This is absolutely amazing and peaceful, same as Trangan boat tour.
So there are monkeys, black and white monkey.
Monkey.
Yes, black and white monkey. They are jumping. Wow.
Details about this place will be given in the description below.
Now she is going to park her boat. Here is the parking.
So Ross is trying Vietnamese egg coffee, famous egg coffee for the first time. Please give us honest review. How do you like it?
Wow.
Yeah, it's so creamy, yeah?
Oh, smell like coffee.
Of
It
course.
don't smell like egg.
Yeah.
I thought it will smell like egg, okay?
Drink and tell us.
Nice. Tasty. Very tasty.
Wow.
You can try. Try.
So creamy and nice, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful place, beautiful people.
Baby, there is a cave up there. Let's go. Let's go. We can. Mobile. Take your mobile. It's okay. Come. Over there? Oh, okay. There is a lock.